Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute and easy. I hope you like it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos and I also do vlogs. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start by spraying water detangler and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then with my comb, I'm going to part her hair in a diagonal. Then again, I'm going to part her hair like that, just to make a little triangle. Now I'm going to put that hair into a hair clip just to keep it apart, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and with my comb I'm going to brush the hair, then I'm going to part the hair in a diagonal again. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair, then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Then I'm going to grab the hair again and I'm going to grab another piece of hair about the same size and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. And for the last piece, I'm going to brush it, then again I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist to those three little pieces of hair. Then I'm going to take the first little piece of hair and I'm going to do a simple braid. For the second piece of hair, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to put a rubber band. Then I'm going to start pulling the outer parts of that little piece of hair just to make it look like a bubble. Then I'm going to grab another rubber band and I'm going to put it on and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to pull the outer parts just to make it look like a little bubble. And once again, I'm going to put another rubber band on and I'm going to repeat the process. I'm just going to pull the outer parts. Now for the third piece of hair, I'm just going to do another simple braid. I'm going to take the three little pieces of hair and I'm just going to put them aside just to work with the rest of the hair. With my comb, I'm going to grab that piece of hair and the rest of the hair I'm just going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to brush it, then I'm going to add the three little pieces of hair, then I'm going to tie everything together with a rubber band. For the bow, I have this super cute velvet red one from Little Poppy & Co. I love how it looks, and this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and come back next week for another hair video. Bye guys!